Hi students, let's learn how to use Khan Academy to learn a little bit about computer programming. If you'll go to Google and type in Khan Academy, Khan, and then computer programming, and search that, you'll get this result here. If not, maybe you might need to scroll down and see this result, but I'm pretty sure this result will come up. Make sure you spell it correctly. We can skip the main result and go down to Intro to JS, Drawing and Animation. What's JS? JavaScript. So that's a language in programming. And we get to this page here. And in the center here are their lessons, Khan Academy's lessons for learning how to program. And again, they're using JavaScript. We can actually skip this intro to programming. Unless you just really want to watch that video, you can. And we're going to go down to Drawing Basics and start there. And this is pretty simple. You simply click in order, follow the directions, listen and watch the video, and you shouldn't have a problem. You should definitely be able to get these first units. Shouldn't have a problem at all with them. But you have to pay attention, and you do have to look at the video. You may want to go ahead and try to get started, but looking at the video helps tremendously and teaches you what you need to know. So if I click on this first one here, this first one is a video, and it comes up, and I click play.
Let's begin programming by making a face with circles. To draw a circle, we need to use the ellipse command. So I'll type ellipse in this editor.
And so this is really good at teaching you how to and what to do. But you just got to pay attention. It's about 6 minutes long, and then you'll be able to draw yourself soon using programming. And so we come down here. The next one is a quick tip. It's not very long. It's really just a few sentences and a picture, and that's it. And then we come down to the challenge. And the challenge now lets you to start to program. I'd already typed this in before, but it starts out blank, and it tells you what to do up here. You got to read the directions, and then it allows you to do it. So if I was to type in ellipse, and I'm going to type some numbers in here. And you see that because I typed this in, an oval appeared over here. You also notice that some orange text came up and says, this doesn't quite look right. And it gives me a suggestion on how to fix and make it look better as to what they're asking for. So that's pretty neat. And so you can play around with this and draw different things. But of course, the challenge is to draw a simple snowman. So that's what you want to do. And you can keep on going. The only thing that is not cool about this is that it does not save your work or where you're at if you're not logged in. And we're not going to log in. We're not going to create an account. So every time you finish a challenge, you see there's a challenge here. Once you finish that work, and once you finish this work, challenge waving snowman. If we go to the next tutorial, here goes another challenge, sunny, snowy day. And here goes a project as well. So any challenges or projects, then I want you, when you finish with that work, before you move to the next section, I want you to copy. Let's see if I can get back. I want you to do a print screen on that. And then after you do a print screen, I want you to paste it into a Word document and save that document. And you don't have to have several documents. You can put them all in one document. I'm going to go back to the simple snowman. So let's say if I was finished with this, then I would simply, and I'm not, but if I was finished, I could hold Control on my keyboard and click Print Screen. And then once I do that, now I can go to Microsoft Word. get a new document, and I'm simply going to do a right click and paste. And then I'll be able to see the code and a picture of what was drawn with you using the code. And that's all you got to do. Each time you can do this all in the same document. Just don't forget to save your document. You got to save this document. So before you leave class, make sure you save it and save it to your documents, to your number on the server. Make sure you save this. Or you could do it in Google Docs as well. Either way. Some way where you can go back and show it to me. So at the end of every challenge or project every challenge and every project, after you get finished with the work, print screen, control, print screen, hold control down, click on print screen while you're holding control down. That will copy it, the whole screen. Then go to Microsoft Word, right click, paste, and you'll have it. Make sure you save your Word document. Do not think that, okay, I'm just going to skip everything, and since he only wants to see the challenges and the projects, I'm just going to go straight to the challenges and the projects and just do those. Unless you're very experienced with programming, you will not know what you're doing, and you will be wasting a huge amount of time. You'll waste more time trying to figure it out than if you had just watched the videos. Watch the video. Go in order. Do not skip around. This makes perfect sense. They've done a great job. I've gone through it more than once. It's enjoyable. Just take your time, go through it, and you'll understand what's going on. But if you skip around, you will spend more time trying to figure it out, and you'll get frustrated. Go in order. Do it like you're supposed to. Good luck, and have fun.